with thick lashes and very prominent curves. And now, Pantalone!
Another clap for the our Pantalone!
He's a bold and clumsy Venetian merchant, passionately in love with Colombina, who eventually entering his continuous attention in the mall, and she sends him away with a branch of honors.
No.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, here comes Capitano!
Capitano!
Capitano is a handsome, courageous young Venetian man.
Yes.
But he looks like more like a Marine.
You are Marine. You are good Marine soldier.
Deeply in love with Colombina, who also loves him. What a beautiful love.
Go there. In the palace. Thank you. You are very courageous.
Okay. Now, Pantalone, after having looked for Dottore for a long time, finally manages to meet him, to tell him his problem. Allora, Pantalone tells him he's in love with Colombina, but she's not, because he's very old. So Dottore, after having checked the earth of Pantalone, check the heart. No, it's okay. Look down. Discovers his problem, sexually impotence, and sends him a miraculous potion. Not enough.
No, one more. Right there. One more?
Check. No. One more.
One more like
That's it. Check. I suggest going. What do you think? Yes, okay. Thank you, doctor. You are the best.
You are our doctor.
In the meanwhile, Colombina, thoughtless, goes for a walk along the street. Pantalone, happy for the immediate positive effect caused by the miraculous potion, hopefully runs towards Colombina, who comes into the situation, scream for fear inside of the great darkness. Capitano, hear this scream, and a big fish of the sun goes towards Pantalone to punish him. Colombina, and very angry, tries to chase him, to punish him for the help, Dottore, for the help given to Pantalone. You have to chase Dottore for that.
Aiuto!
To run, Pantalone, feeling the end of the effect of the miraculous potion, in order to put his life in a safe place, decides to proclaim the marriage between Colombina and Capitano.
I pronounce you man and wife. This is the happy end